Let's make these fun snowflake blocks. I just grabbed 2x4s. They are so fast and easy to do.
I think either 2x4s or 4x4s cut square work best for this project, so that would be 3.5 inches long. I painted mine solid red and green. Now, it doesn't take much sanding to cut through the craft paint to make it a little more rustic. I used 150 grit on a sanding block with light pressure. I would not go below that grit, but you can go higher if you like. I made several line drawings for you to easily trace onto your blocks. See the link for where to get all 10 of these snowflake drawings. Tape the drawing down to the block and put your carbon paper shiny side down. See the link for where to get a pack of paper that comes with a nice stylus pack too. I love this paint pen. It has reversible points and I really like this bevel edge one. The paint comes out perfectly thick enough to make a solid line that is not too fat for this type of drawing either. And you can use the full tip to make a wide line or just use the very end of it to get a skinnier line as I'm doing here. See the link for where to get yours. Let's do another pattern from the collection of line drawings onto this green block. Just tape the drawing down to the block and put your carbon paper shiny side down. I just love the stylus markers with different size tips that came with my pack of carbon papers. It only takes medium pressure to trace lines, and I decided to trace one full line at a time to help me keep up with the spurs on each. Really love this paint pen and the bevel edge tip. The paint comes out perfectly thick enough to make a solid line that's not too fat for this type of drawing. And you can use the full tip to get a wide line like I'm doing for the stems. And then I'm using the very end of it to get a skinnier line for the spurs. Oh, that was so easy.
Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on over and see me at heartwoodart.com and find out how to make more of these Christmas scrapbook pieces.